Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a partition on your Windows computer. So let's get started. As you can see here on this computer, I have only basically one drive here, which is the C drive here, but I want to create a small partition off of it. So in order to do that, first thing you're going to do is go to your search or run. You can do Windows R or just type in run program, and then you're just going to open up the run program. And from here on, we're going to type in diskmgmt.msc. So that's what you're going to hit OK, which is going to open up your disk management program. And you can also search this up as well. Right now, it's pretty simple here. As you can see, I have three different volumes here. So I'm going to see here, I have a C1 for the Acer one. This is the base one that I'm looking at, the one at the full one. So what you're going to do is just basically right click on this one. You're going to right click on this one and click on shrink volume. So you're going to click on shrink volume. It's going to start querying the shrink space here, and this takes a little bit, sometimes a few minutes. It looks like it's not doing anything, but it is. You just have to wait. Sometimes it could take longer depending on how much you're using. So if it takes a few minutes, just hang in there. And here, this is where you're going to give how much you want to go ahead and create a partition for. Now the partitions are in MB, basically 1024 MB makes 1 gig. So if I wanted to do about, let's say 2 gigs or so, I would do 2048 as an example, and you would multiply 1024 times however many gigs you're looking for, or round it. It doesn't have to be exact number. You can do like 4,000, 6,000, 8,000, whatever you want. And then you're going to click on, let's go ahead and click on shrink here. So it will go ahead and begin the process here, and we should see here, it does take a moment, a new partition that should open up right here. That's just 2 gigs. It's unallocated because we still have to go ahead and do the next step, which we're going to do is right hand click on this and click on new simple volume. So we're going to click on that, and then the wizard is going to open up to help us guide through in creating this new volume. So we're going to hit next, and we're going to keep the number as is. We're going to hit next, and then if you want to assign this a letter, I'm just going to leave it as default at whatever it's selected as D. I'm going to hit, because it's C and then D after, as you can see. I'm going to hit next here, and then here you can format the type if you know what file system you want, any sort of allocation size. You can leave it as default here. You can see if you have an older version, it might be FAT or FAT32. You probably want to do the new one, NT, which is a new technology file system. So I'll leave it as is. And then if you want to put a label to this, a partition, you can give it a label like new volume. You could say whatever you're looking to do. If you're doing specific stuff on it, maybe a game volume, you can put that in. I'm going to leave it as is, and then we're going to leave the other things and then hit next. And then as this, you can see here, it is going to complete. I'm going to hit finish, and it's going to start processing it. And now I see a new volume that's the D partition that's available now. I can exit out of this and just go to show you that partition here. I can go into Windows Explorer, click on this PC. And as you can see here, I have a new partition created along with from the other partition here. Just here, that's just 2 gigs. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your computer. We'll see you guys next time.